Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today let's practice English together. So today is a practice session in which I am going to take up two videos and I am going to talk about it. Now what it will do, it will help you to understand how we can talk about these videos or what we can see. So basically we have to talk about what we can see, right? Whatever video we are seeing, we have to just see what we can talk about it. So this is going to be a very interesting session, guys, and you can always shadow with me. You can repeat after me. You can take that video, you can practice it on your own also. You can add your own ideas. You can talk about it in your own way as well. Okay, you are free to choose whatever you want to. But since I told you that this is a practice session, so I'm going to talk about this video. So two videos I've chosen and I'm going to talk about it in English, what I can see in that video, and I'm going to describe that. So in this way, if you start practicing, it will definitely help you to gain more fluency and confidence while speaking in English. And it will help you to start taking up videos or pictures or scenarios to speak on your own as well, which will help you in your speaking practice. So let's get started. But before that, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this video first and then I'm going to speak on it. So what you can do is just take a moment to watch the entire video, what is happening. Okay, and then we'll talk about it. Are you ready? Video number 1. Now let's talk about this video. So as you can see, this is a food vlog, sort of a video. So I'll review the food here. Like I can see a ramen bowl, right? And I'm going to talk about how it was, what it is about, everything. Whatever I can see and whatever I can imagine. So I'm going to talk about it. So this is a food review. So what will happen is if you practice this, it will be easier for you to review your own food every time. Lunch, breakfast, dinner, snack, tea break, whatever you are eating, you can just review that. Okay, this will give you an idea. So that is why I've taken this food vlog. Okay, so let's talk about it. Wow, it looks so beautiful. This bowl is so colorful. It is a ramen bowl. And I think this is chicken ramen. It's a chicken ramen bowl. It has fried chicken pieces. It has a boiled egg. It has some veggies also. It has some ramen noodles and some peanuts. And there's a soup as well there. The soup is so thick and flavorful. I had this bowl and it was so satisfying, I can't tell. I really loved the texture. I really loved the taste of the soup and the vegetables and everything there. So it's basically a mix of vegetables, chicken, egg, everything. There are a lot many options. You can try seafood ramen bowl, you can try veg ramen bowl. I've tried veg ramen bowl also and it was so flavorful and so amazing and so satisfying. I really loved the flavors. I don't know, the soup tasted so good. And during cold or winters, it really tastes like heaven. Trust me on this. So it looks so pleasing, so colorful, so eye-catching, and it is very tasty and delicious as well. So next time when you are out and you want to try something different, do give this a try. Okay, so this is how I described this ramen bowl or this food which I was eating or which I saw. Okay, so this is how I described it. A lot of other things also I could have added there, but I didn't add there because it will be a very long video. I just wanted to give you a hint or an idea on how to talk about it. Okay, so this is what you can start doing every single day, starting with your breakfast to lunch to dinner or snacks. So 4 times a day you can talk in English about your food in this way. Like how I spoke about how it looks like, what all ingredients are there, how it tastes like, and why you should try this. Okay, so everything, whatever comes to your mind, whatever you can think about, just speak about it. Take your time, understand, try to come up with new thoughts, new ideas, and speak. There's no hurry, right? You can talk about your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks in this way. So that is why I've chosen this food review. Okay, in my first video. Now, let's come to video number 2. Let's watch it first. Okay, so this video is taken from the train. So the train was passing through the mountains and this video was taken. So I'm going to talk about this place, or I'm going to talk about what I see in this video. Okay, the train is passing through the mountains. It looks so scenic. It looks so scenic and refreshing. There are green trees, there are brown mountains. There is a bridge also which I can see where the vehicles are passing by. And this is a railway track from where the train is passing, and on the other side there is a bridge from where the vehicles are passing, and there are mountains in between. It looks so mesmerizing, so peaceful, and so good. This is how nature is. It is very beautiful. When you go to the mountains, when you go to beaches, when you go to landscapes, you will get to know how beautiful our nature is. And these are the places where we find the beauty of the nature. I enjoyed this train journey completely. The whole journey was filled with beautiful mountain views. And to my surprise, we were also able to see the town which was there. We were also able to see the town from the mountains. The views were breathtaking, guys. If you get an opportunity to travel by train to mountains or anywhere else, India is so beautiful. We have villages, mountains everywhere. Lots of tunnels through which train passes every time, right? So if you get an opportunity, do travel by train also. You'll get to see a lot of natural surroundings and natural scenic beauty and natural scenes also, which look so amazing, so mesmerizing and breathtaking. This is once in a lifetime experience, guys. Trust me on this. If you start traveling, you will get to know a lot of things. You will get to know different places, different food, culture, tradition, etc. and whatnot, guys. So I would suggest do travel and explore new places. It's a wonderful experience. So guys, that's it about this video. So you can just come up with your imagination, your own creativity, and you can start adding that, right? You can see a lot of other things also there. So whatever comes to your mind, whatever you are interested in speaking, if you have some experience also about it, you can just add it there. So this will make your speech longer. This will make your conversation longer, right? So whenever you see a picture, whenever you see a scenario, whenever you see a video or whatever it is, right? Start speaking about it. If you start developing the skill of speaking randomly about any picture, about any scenario, what is going on in your society or the playground or in the park or in the mall or the food court, anywhere, or if you can start talking about any video as well, it will help you to gain more confidence and fluency in speaking in English. Just because you're talking on random topics and you're talking on the spot, or you're speaking about it on the spot. So to get used to speaking on the spot and about a particular thing, you have to get in practice. So this is how you can start practicing. Start talking about any pictures, start talking about any videos, start talking about any scenario which you can see. Okay, so the best part is whatever you can see, just describe that. Okay, so first you start doing this. Whatever you see, start describing that. Then start adding your ideas and your thoughts there. If you know something similar, if you've done something similar, or if it looks something similar, you can just relate to that thing also here. So you can start thinking about it in detail. Okay, after speaking about what you can see, so you can keep on adding your thoughts in these things and speak about it. So get in practice of speaking in this way. It is absolutely going to help you with confidence and fluency to speak on any topic with anyone, anywhere, anytime. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.